everyone. We all are doing great, and I'm back again here today with another book review. And here I'm having two books with me. These books I've ordered last month, and I've also gone through the book. And these are basically from the genre of haunted books. Although, let's talk about how the books were for me. Were they interesting? Were they worth read for all of you? So that's all we are going to say today in this video. So the first book that I've read is this one. This is The Wind of the Haunted Hill by Ruskin Bond. This book is having a very short story, and the story is about Usha, the story about Suresh, the story is about Binya, and there are three friends in their childhood, out of which two are brothers and sisters. They are the siblings, and this is a perfect bedtime story for children, I'd say. So if you are somebody who is searching for a spine chilling experience and kind of that level of story, this book isn't for you. But yeah, this will surely take you back to your childhood where we were learning about those um, very very funny kind of horror stories where there is not much of ghostly experiences, but still you'll be getting that little fear, which even I got for a while, that that the ghost might be coming, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था इस story में. It was a purely Ruskin Bond, that class 1, 2 or kindergarten story kind of stuff, and perfect for children for their bedtime stories. My nephew loved it, and I enjoyed narrating the story in this. The way the narration of the story has been given in the book is amazing. Of course, it is given by Ruskin Bond. This book is very thin, amazing quality, pictorial representation, you can see. The font is good, the colors are good, high quality papers, and yeah, a good read for children, a perfect children's book. Not for the adult people. If you are searching for a spine chilling experience, I'd say in a very simple way. Don't go for it if you really want a horror story. But for your children, if you're having a child in your house, he is gonna love this or she is gonna love this. And the next book which I've gone through was The Canterville Ghost. Well, this book is a classic. I mean, I won't again say this was having that spine chilling experience, but you can see the quality of the book. This again is very thin, having little story, but I say that 70% of the story was quite funny. It turned out to be funny. It reminded me of that Indian movie, Bhutnath. I could relate with that movie, and any child would surely enjoy this book. My nephew loved it again. So if you're having a child in your house, after The Wind on the Haunted Hill, you should definitely go with the Canterville Ghost. But I just say that there are two illustrations in this book which I've loved a lot, and I'll just share that with you all. The illustration was by Death, like the illustrations of Death by the Ghost. In this book, there is a ghost, who has shared his experiences of dying, and while he says that a ghost never troubles a pure soul, because there is a pure soul in the book, and she connects with the ghost, and then the ghost shares his experiences out with her. Only the universe don't want them to. That's the reason that they don't trouble any kind of pure soul. And overall, this book is good for all the teenagers, I'd say. So of course, I haven't got any ghost experiences or any kind of scariness or scary feeling with this book, not at all. But something to be learned onto, and an amazing book, a must read, I'd say. If I'll just take two books together, which one should you go for a child? Definitely you can go with all the book. But if you're a teenager and into adult, very early stages, then you can definitely go with the Canterville Ghost. It is comparatively better than this, I found it. But both of them are amazing bed stories for children, and if you're having a child, and again repeat, they are gonna love these stories. They're very nice stories, and they'll tell you to please repeat. Just narrate it in the way the book has narrated, and they'll enjoy your company. Yeah, so that's all from my side today. I'll again come up with an amazing book review. So stay connected, guys. Stay supportive. Keep supporting. Bye.